Jetties, long narrow structures that extend from landmass to water, are often constructed to protect coastlines from erosion. Okay, so we don't need to make mark subject and verb here because that's not what's being asked. Jetty can sometimes have jetty subject, verb have the opposite effect. That will be the object of the sentence, and then obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shore can lead to increased erosion in some areas. So because we have obstructing here, simple subject, and the verb will be can lead, obstructing can lead to increased erosion. So we have two independent clauses. So when you look at the answer choices, you know that B is a comma splice because you cannot connect two independent clause with a word though, subordinating conjunction. You do need a coordinating conjunction such as fanboys. And C, we have a semicolon, semicolon. So far, A and C they work to separate these two independent clauses. So we'll hold on to them for now. And choice D, another comma splice. Okay, though is not a coordinate conjunction. And also, it gets confusing where this though is placed. Is it on the first part of the second sentence, or is it the second part? That will be very ambiguous in this case. Now, between choice A and C, where should we put the semicolon? Now, for us to do that, you do have to read the first part of the sentence. Even though sometimes some of you might just jump into the second sentence thinking that you don't need to know the first sentence, you do in this case because it said Jetty's purpose, the original purpose was to construct, Jetty's original purpose was to protect the coastline from erosion. But then we do see that there is an opposite effect that obstructing the natural flow by this artificial means to control our nature can lead to increased erosion. So it has the opposite effect. So because it contrasts with the previous sentence, we have to use a transition word though in the first part of the second sentence. So the correct answer should be A. This is misplaced semicolon. Okay, misplaced semicolon.